for tomorrow with my new class. So excited. Hey you guys, today we are making extra chili oil. Extra means it's extra smoky, extra spicy, extra flavorful, just extra good on everything like myself. I'm so extra, you know what I mean? So if you're extra like me, this chili oil is for you. So this is pretty much a steroid version of my original chili oil. So if you just want to make delicious, just everyday chili oil, go ahead and check it out, link right here. I will put the description box as well. I just sliced some ginger, crushed some garlic, and I just cut up one onion. Washed it really well outside, but I'm not gonna peel or remove the root because that's also where the flavor coming from. So add all these aromatic vegetables into a saucepan. I'm also going to add 1 bay leaf, 2 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorn, 3 cups of avocado oil or any neutral oil of your choice. Turn the heat to medium-low to medium, and we are going to let these aromatic vegetables and spices to release their flavor to the oil. So in here, if you want to, go ahead and maybe add star anise or cloves or the black cardamom and things like that to your taste. I'm gonna just make it really simple because I like my chili oil to be super duper simple but packed with the flavor that works with any cuisine, even Korean food. This process will take a little while because we are going to actually fry these vegetables and spices in oil until they are dead. So meanwhile, I'm going to chop up some onion. I like to use my shallot for my chili oil, but I don't have a shallot, sorry. So I'm just gonna use the onion, and onion works just fine. Toast my half cup of Thai chili flakes on a dry pan. Turn on the heat to medium-high. What we are trying to do is burn these chili flakes and create a smoky flavor. Make sure you wear some mask, like Jacob. This chili flakes is really for that extra smoky flavor and extra spiciness. So don't worry about it's burn like black. That's what we want for this recipe. It's getting there. You see, my chili flakes are from the hell. I added this chili flakes. Added these chili flakes into my flavored oil. Let this keep going until all the onions actually turning into brown as well. This extra chili oil, there's a little extra effort we have to give. Either skillet or wok. Turn the heat to high, and I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of another avocado oil. Let's add our chopped onion. So my onions, that their edges got like a little golden brown, that looks really good. So this is the time to add some soy sauce around the edge and let the soy sauce burn like so and sizzle. Creates really beautiful flavor when you're using this technique. Let's add 3 tablespoons of dubanjang, it's a chili bean paste. You can find dubanjang really easily in any grocery stores nowadays or Asian grocery stores. Right, now I'm gonna reduce the heat to low. Half cup of another chili flakes, 1 to 2 tablespoons of Korean gochugaru, because Korean gochugaru actually makes chili oil super beautifully red color. So 2 tablespoons of fermented black beans, completely up to you. So anyways, I got this from Amazon, and I will put the link down below where you can find on Amazon as well, or check out your local Chinese grocery store. 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of MSG. If you don't want to use MSG, that's fine. Go ahead and use maybe mushroom powder, that will do. And some salt. Add this oil that we created earlier, the flavored oil, into the wok. Turn off the heat and go ahead and mix this. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. Guys, this is pretty much done. So this chili oil flavor gets better and better more they sit, and you can just keep this chili oil in the pantry. You don't have to keep it in the refrigerator, okay? I mean, if you want to keep in the refrigerator, nobody gonna stop you, but you don't have to. And it will last forever. Chili oil, because they are like all submerged in the oil, they're pretty much preserved, so it's really, it will last like a year or longer. You will finish before that anyway. So I love using my chili oil with rice or noodles, stir-fry dishes, but also when I'm making sundubu-jjigae, amazing. Mapa tofu, fantastic. When you're making hot pot, add some of that. It's so good. And hot pot dipping sauce with this, so good. You're gonna enjoy this so much.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars.
Guys, if you like my chili oil recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious authentic Asian recipes like this for flame-based version. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You never fought, never had a second thought. I was blinded by my love, I couldn't see a single flaw. But then it came through, had to try to see a different view. Had to take a look at something new, but that was hard to do. I was only interested in you, I was paralyzed by love, I couldn't move. But now I'm on a new level, winning at the brake pedal. I just made a promise to myself,